Tamara Basic Tees here, and today I have some big news. I finally finished my website for the second time, and this time I'm actually happy with it. You can find the PDF patterns I've created on this website. I've also included a gallery where I've put together all the photos I've taken of the stuff I've created in the last 20 years. And in this gallery, that is where I'm going to create these patterns. So if you find something you like in the gallery, get in contact with me and ask me if I can do a PDF sewing pattern for it. Unfortunately, it may not always be immediate gratification. I know right now I probably have 4 people that have asked for patterns and I haven't done that yet. What you can expect with this new website that I'm super excited about is a new PDF sewing pattern every 2 weeks and a new YouTube video every 2 weeks. So you'll be having something new from me every single week. If you like what I'm dishing out, check out my new website at basictees.com and check me out at basicteesboutique.com that's connected to my Etsy store. And until next time, stay sexy. Bye.